Guys, Sweet Tooth here. We're going to cut up this pallet with a Makita. This is the model 5704R 1200. It's relatively new, well, brand new. Pretty much it, guys. Should go through there. Now I'm going to drop the depth on the blade. Okay. Let's see how far we can get through this. Pretty good. That's just a quick look at the Makita 5704R. Got that on Tool Tank for $89.99. Went up along and have a look. Came the next day, UPS delivery. Definitely recommend that for pallets. And it's pretty good, very good saw. Quite lightweight as well. You can use it in one hand. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you soon.